Thank you so much for joining this lesson. Remember to subscribe and to share the link with friends. In number 13, we are talking about mixtures, ratios, and proportions. A coffee blender mixes two types of coffee, that is X, which costs 125 Kenya shillings, and Y, which costs 160 Kenya shillings. She sells the mixture at 182.5 Kenya shillings, thereby making a profit of 25%. Find the ratio XY at which she mixed the two types of coffee. What you should know is that the sale of the mixture at 182.5, making 25% profit, means that there is the cost price of this mixture, and that means 125% is 182.5 Kenya shillings. That means there is 100% now the cost of this mixture. That is going to be 182.5 multiplied by 100 out of 125. Therefore, the cost price of this mixture is going to be, when we take 182.5 by 100, then we divide by 125, this is going to give us 146. Therefore, 146 is now the cost price of our mixture. After mixing, this mixture costed 145. So how can we get back to the ratio at which she mixed these two? I'll use two approaches. We can talk about X costing 125 and Y costing 160. Then the mixture costing 146. We place it there. Then now we can subtract 146 and 160. This gives us 14. Then we can also subtract 125 and 146. And this is giving us 21. Therefore, the ratio of mixing X and Y is 14:21. But now we can mix, we can solve it further by making it as simple as possible. And by 7 we'll get 2. By 7 we'll get 3. So this is the ratio of mixing the two. Again, alternatively, we can say when we take X, which is costing, we can say 8 bags of coffee or 8 kilograms of coffee, which is 125 times X of them, then plus for the type Y, 160, each costing Y shillings, or we are taking Y kilograms and X kilograms costing 160 and 125 respectively. That means if we have mixed X and Y, then we can get the cost as 146, because we are saying the total price or the total cost of brand X is going to be X kilograms multiplied by each 125. Then for Y kilograms multiplied by each 160. Then we divide by the number of kilograms now, X plus Y. We should get the cost of a kilogram, which is 146. Now we can talk of cross multiplying, so that 125X plus 160Y will be equal to 146Y and 146X after cross multiplication for X and Y. Okay, so we can group like terms together. When we bring y's to this side, they'll become positive. Therefore, 160 minus 146 should give us 14y equals to 146 minus 125, 21x. So to remain with x at this end, I should divide by 21. So by 21, I'm getting 2y out of 3. Then to remain with 2 out of y, to remain with 2 over 3, we can divide by y through. So that we say 2 out of 3 equals to x over y. And if 2 over 3 equals to x out of y, then the ratio x is to y equals to 2 is to 3.